Good morning, students. Today we will continue chapter 2, which is compound interest. In previous class you have learned how to find compound interest, but in today's lesson you will learn how to find compound interest using formula. So the first formula we have: if interest is compounded annually, then amount will be, the formula of amount is P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Here P is principal, R is rate, which is interest rate, and n is your time. And here n should be a whole number like 2, 3, 4, etc. Now look at the example. Find the amount and the compound interest on 100 rupees at 20% per annum for 2 years if the interest is compounded annually. So first step will be, you have to write the given data. So P, that is P principal, equal to 100 as you can see in the question, R equal to 20% per annum, and n equal to 2 years. This is time. So amount after 2 years, A will be, write the formula, P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Now put the value of P, R, n. Here P is 100 into 1 plus 20 by 100, 20 is your rate, and whole to the power 2, that is time. So now this will be 144. Let me show you. This is 100 into 1 plus 20 by 100 whole to the power 2. Here 0 0 will be cancelled, and this will be, if you divide 10 by 2, it will be 25. 2 5 is 10. Okay, now 5 into 1 5, then 5 plus 1 is 6. So this is 6 by 5 to the power 2. 100 into 6 by 5 to the power 2. Now this will be 100 into 6 into 6, 36 by 25. This is 100 divided by 25 will be 4. If you multiplied 4 into 36, that will be 144. Clear? So the compound interest equal to, as we know, the formula is compound interest equal to amount minus principal. So here amount is 144 and principal is 100. So 144 minus 100 is 44. So here amount is 144 and compound interest is 44. Clear? Next formula we have, if interest is compounded half yearly, then amount will be, the formula of amount is P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 to the power 2n. Here in the question the rate is always given as like 8% per annum. Okay, in that case you have to convert this into half yearly. So 8% will be, 8% per annum will be what? 8 by 2 half yearly. Clear? So that will be 4. So the formula is R by 2 here, and the time is always 2n in the if the interest is compounded half yearly, because 2 year equal to 4 half year. Yes or no? 2 year can be written as 4 half year. So that's why here 2n is here. So the formula is A into P, formula is P p into 1 plus r by 2 into 100 whole to the power 2n, and here 2n must be a whole number. Now look at this example. Find the amount and the compound interest on 100 at 20% per annum for 2 years if the interest is compounded half yearly. So first write down the given data. P equal to 100 and R equal to 20% per annum and N equal to 2 years. Here the interest is compounded half yearly. So the formula of amount will be P into 1 plus R by 2 into 100 whole to the power 2n. Now for the value of P, R and N, then it will be 100 into 1 plus 20 by 2 into 100 and 2 whole to the power 2 into 2. Now this will be 146.41. Let me show you. Here 0 0 will be cancelled. Okay, 2 will be cancelled here. So this will be 100 into 10 into 1, 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, that will be 11 by 10 whole to the power 4. Okay, so now this will be 100 into 11 to the power 4 by 10,000. Okay, now 0 0 will be cancelled here. Now 11 to the power 4 will be 146.41 by 100. This will be 146.41. Clear? Now the compound interest is A minus P. So 146.41 minus 100 will be, wait a minute. So 146.41 minus 100 will be 46.41. That is compound interest, and amount is 146.41. The next formula is if the rates are different for different years, says R1%, R2% and R3% for the year first, second and third respectively. Okay, here R1 is rate for first year, R2 is rate percent for second year, and R3 is rate percent for third year. In that case, the formula for amount will be P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Now look at the example of this. Here is the example. Find the compound interest accrued on 6,000 in 3 years, compounded yearly, if the rates for the successive year are 5%, 8%, 10% respectively. So first you have to write down the data which is given in the question. It is P equal to 6,000 and N, that is time, equal to 3 years. Rate percent for first year is 5%, rate percent for second year is 8%, and for third year it is 10%. That is given in the question. So now write the formula of amount for this, that is P into 1 plus R1 by 100 into 1 plus R2 by 100 into 1 plus R3 by 100. Now put the value of all this. This will be 6,000, that is the principal. 6,000 into 1 plus 5 by 100 into 1 plus 8 by 100 into 1 plus 10 by 100. Now 1 plus 5 by 100 will be 105 by 5 by 100, and 1 plus 8 by 100 will be 108 by 100, and this will be 110 by 100. Clear? Now if we divide this, we'll get 21 by 20, and this will be 27 by 25 and 11 by 100. Let me write down first. 6000 into 21 by 20 into 27 by 25 into 11 by 10. So now 0 0 will be cancelled, and here 0 0 will also cancel. So now 260 divided by 2, that will be 30, and 5 5 cha 25, 5 6 cha 30. Clear? Now so if you multiply 6 into 21 into 27 into 11, you will get 37422 by 5. Now this will be 5 7 ja 35, then 5 4 ja 20, then 5 8 ja 40, then 5 4 ja 20, then put decimal point, and then 5 4 ja 20. Okay, so this will be 7484.40. So the compound interest will be amount minus principal, that is 1484.40 rupees. Clear? Next formula is, when period is not a complete number of years, like 3 years 5 months, 2 years 6 months, if the time is given like this, then the formula will be, here I have taken 3 years and 5 months, so here formula will be P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 3, that is the year, okay, into 1 plus 5R 5 by 12 into R by 100. Here 5 by 12 is, that is gonna, the 5 months is converted into year, that's why 5 by 12, 5 months out of 12 months, 12 months is 1 year. So when you convert 5 months into year, that will be 5 by 12 years. Okay, so now will we solve an edge. Here I have taken an example of your book. Calculate the amount and the compound interest on 8000 for 2 years 9 months. Here as you can see, the time is 2 years 9 months at 10% per annum compounded annually. First write down the given data. P equal to 8000, that is given, and R equal to 10% per annum, and time equal to this 2 years 9 months is 2 whole 9 by 2 9 by 12 years. Here 9, if you divide 9 by 12 by 3, you will get 3 by 4. So time will be 2 whole 3 by 4 years. Clear? Now put the formula. Write down the formula here. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power 2, that is years, into 1 plus 3 by 4R. This is the months. 3 by 4 hours into R by 100. Clear? Now put the value of all P, R, and yes, put the value of P and R. Here P is 8000, and here R is 10% per annum, and this is also 10. So now 10 sorry, this is 0 0 will be cancelled here, so this will be 10 into 1 plus 1, 11 by 10, as you can see here, 11 by 10. So 11 by 10 whole square, that will be 11 by 10 into 11 by 10. Now here 0 0 will be cancelled, so this will be 1 plus 3 by 40. Okay, so 40 into 140, 40 plus 3, 43, 43 by 40. So here 8000 into 11 by 10 into 11 by 10 into 43 by 40. So 0 0 will be cancelled, again 0 0 is also cancelled, and here 0 0 will be cancelled. Now 8 divided by 4 will be 2. Now if you multiply 2 into 11 into 11 into 43, you will get 10,406. So the this is amount. So the compound interest will be amount minus principal. This will be 10,406 minus principal 8,000. So compound interest is 2,406. Now here I have taken another example of your book, that is the difference between the compound interest and simple interest on a certain sum at 9% per annum for 2 years is 324. Find the sum. Here sum is not given, that is principal is not given, but the difference between compound interest and simple interest is given, that is 324, and rate percentage also given, and time is also given. So first step is write down the given data. So rate equal to 9% per annum and time equal to 2 years, and here let the sum will be x. Then simple interest will be p, that is we have taken x as principal, so p into r, that is 9 into t, that is a formula of simple interest, p into r into t by 100. So this will be 9x by 20. This will be what, for 50, 2 into 50 is 100, so this will be 9x by 50. So simple interest is 9x by 50. Then we will find out compound interest. So the formula of compound interest, p, that is x, into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n, that is 2, minus principal, that is amount. Its compound interest is what? Amount minus principal. So amount, the formula of amount will be p into 1 plus r by 100 to the power n minus principal. Clear? This will be 100 into 1 plus 9, that will 109 by 100 to the power square will be 109 by 100 into 109 by 100 minus x. Up to this clear? Now 100 into 100 will be 10,000, and 109 into 109 will be 11,881x minus this will be 10,000x. So 11,881x minus 10,000 will be 1,881x by 10,000. So simple interest minus compound interest minus simple interest equal to 11,881x by 1,000, that is compound interest, minus 9x by 100. So this will be 1881x minus 1800x by 10,000. When you subtract 1800x minus 1881x, this will be 81x by 10,000. But according to the question, the difference between compound interest and simple interest is 324. So we can write 81x by 10,000, that is the difference between the simple interest and compound interest, equal to 324. That is given in the question. So now x will be 324 into 10,000 by 81. Clear? Now divide this number by 81, that will gives 4. So 4 into 10,000, that is 40,000. So that is the sum. So the required sum is 40,000. Because the first we have taken, let the required sum is x, that is the principal. So the required sum is, as you can see, x here, x equal to 40,000. So the required sum equal to 40,000. Now moving to the next question. A sum invested at compound interest amounts to 8,800 in 1 year and to 10,648 in 3 years. Calculate the rate percent and the sum. Here rate percent and sum is not given, but the question says the question says that if you invest some certain sum, then after 1 year it will be 8,800 and after 3 years it will be 10,644. So let the sum be x and rate of interest be r percent per annum. So here x is sum and r percent is the rate of interest. Then x into 1 plus r by 100 equal to 8,800. That is the formula of amount. The formula of amount for the 1 year is what? Principal into 1 plus 100 to the power n. Here n is 1. So that is equation 1. Mark it, equation 1. Then amount for the third year will be p into 1 plus r by 100 whole to the power n, that is 3, that is equal to 10,648 according to the question. So mark it as equation number 2. Okay, now divide equation 2 by equation 1. You will get 1 plus r by 100 because x will be cancelled. If you consider this as x and 1 plus r by 100, that is x cube. X cube minus x equal to, as you all know, that is x square. So 1 plus r by 100 to the power 2. That will be 10,648 by 8,800. Now divide this number 10,648 by 8,800. Now divide this by 8. This will be 1100 and this will be 8. 1 ja 8, 2 6, then 8 3 ja 24, then 8 3 ja again 24, 8 1 ja 8. Now again now divide this number by 11. This will be 100 and this will be 121. So as you can see here, 121 by 100. We can write 121 by 100 as 11 by 10 to the power 10 to the power whole square. 11 square is 121 and 10 square is 100. Now remove this square from both sides. Then we will have 1 plus r by 100 equal to 11 by 10. So now r by 10 equal to r by 100 equal to 11 by 10 minus 1. Bring this 1 to the right side, then it will become minus 1. Now here 10 into 1, 10. So 11 minus 10 by 10 will be 1 by 10. So r equal to 1 by 10 into 100, that will be 10. 0 0 will be cancelled, so r equal to 10 here. Clear? Now putting the value of r in equation 1, then you will get x into 1 plus 10 by 100. As you can see, equation 1 is x into 1 plus r by 100. So put the value of r, so that will be x into 1 plus 10 by 100 equal to 8800, that is given. So now x equal to, here 0 0 will be cancelled, 0 0 will be cancelled, so 10 into 1, 10 plus 1, that will be 11 by 100. So x into 11 by 100 equal to 8800. So now x will be 8800 into reciprocal of 11 by 10, that is 10 by 11. Now if we divide 8800 by 11, you will get 800. So 800 into 10 equal to 8000. That is the value of x. As you can see, let the sum be x. We have taken x as sum. So sum equal to 8000 and rate equal to 10%. Here r equal to 10. Okay, so the sum is, the principal is 8000 and rate equal to 10%. So the homework for today is exercise 2b. So this much for today. Thank you students. Have a great day.